Welcome to lesson number 9, D major scale. Objective: by the end of this video, it is expected of you to be able to play D major scale across the fretboard. We learned that D can be found on the 3rd fret on the B string, the 4th string itself is D, and then the 5th fret on the A string is also D. Then we can get it here on the 7th fret on the G string, then the 10th fret on the little E string, then the 12th fret on the D string. Good. So to play D major scale, it involves D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and then D. So the same shape you use to play the C sharp, we are starting with our forefinger on the 5th fret on the A string. So we have D, E, first finger, F sharp, your 3rd finger, G, 4th finger, A, first finger, B, 3rd finger, C sharp, first finger, and then your 2nd finger gets the D here. So you have a shape like this. You can play backwards. Very good. Then you play downwards. We can also play from this side and then get to the 10th fret. So we have D here, E, F sharp, G, B, So it brings you to this shape, this position like this. All right. So the same idea. Then you come. Very good. Very good. Now, you can also do a shape like this, then begin on this line with your 2nd finger, like this. Then you continue. You see how it is? Very good. Very good. Very good. Or you can begin from this side with your second finger and then play it this way. You can see that the Do is on the 15th fret on the B string. So you get it, then you play. Very good.